Today we will show you the neon glow effect in Photoshop. Welcome everyone. Me Alamin Tushar here. So let's jump into Photoshop. First I will make a copy of the background layer. Then go to the custom selection tool. Mainly it is default it's rectangle tool. We will make the polygonal tool and the side should be 3. Default is 5. Go to the fill and make sure it's not, and the stroke white, and about for this image it should be 10 pixel. It could be changed for different image. Move to and place it according to your perceptions. Let's see, it should be a little bit bigger. Yeah, now double click here to go to the blending option, or also you can say right click and go to the blending option here and go to outer glow. You can select color from here, from the color picker. I will choose light blue from here. Yeah, it's okay. Now you can set the size of it, also speed, and the type of the fill. I will choose the first one and check here. Also make sure that it's softer, and screen blending mode. It's default. Press OK. Now make is convert to a smart object. Make a mask with a black brush. Just remove the area. Make sure it's a soft round brush. Let's see. Yeah, removing the area. In between that, you can subscribe the channel and ring that bell icon. Let's see. Yeah, it's quite okay. Now change the blending mode to screen. Let's see. Oh yes, screen. See, it's more pop up. It's before after. You can also change the color again. To double do that, double click and yes, I will choose yellow because there was a lots of yellow in the image. Let's see. Press OK. Okay. Now Control S to save this. That will appear in here. See, all done. Let's see the overall before and after. Sorry, before, after, before, after, before, after. You can also play with the opacity if you think it's too much. Let's see, 70%. Yeah, it's too dull. Let's go and increase it a little bit more. I think it's 80%. Yeah, that's okay. So that's how you can make a neon glow effect in Photoshop. If you want more tips, tricks and tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel and support me. Thank you very much.